right? So I want you to kind of, know that there really is no finish line for that. You're basically going to always continue doing that. And that's a healthy thing, because that's the experimentation mindset that all of us should have as data scientists. So as you get more comfortable with that, you're going to find more ways to apply that in your life, because it's really, the opportunities are really all around you. Maybe it's about how you approach books, or how you approach new concepts, how you approach situations with your kids, or how you approach your finances, or different things like that, right? The experimentation and that scientific mindset isn't really something that should leave you. It's something that you should really just keep on building over and over again. You're just going to be applying it to different parts of your life, or different phases in your life. Right now I'm still applying it to data science, just at a different level, at a different phase in my life. So I wanted to emphasize that, because it's something that I strongly believe in, because not only is it part of kind of like the entrepreneurial spirit of you lifting yourself up to being a data scientist, it's just also a healthy practice that also lets you apply being a data scientist, right? Just like a doctor might take care of their body because they know the latest research about heart health and cardiovascular health, or things like that, right? Same thing for data scientists that would just apply some of that thinking into other parts of their life, or other things that they do away from the day-to-day job or the day-to-day profession.